I'm opposite Fadason Villa. So today we are at Ta Chong Kopitiam. We're gonna go to this Kopitiam and see a lot of people in the morning. So this is their liberica coffee. They have liberica and called robusta. Apparently, from what the boss told me, they actually roast their own beans. This is impressive. And this is their signature curry pop. Apparently it's quite a hit among the come here. Let's try the coffee first. Strong, man. This is coffee kosong. That's the way I like it. Curry pop. Got chicken and potato and got egg. Okay, I haven't bite inside. Go to coffee shop, toast bread is a must. So we've ordered two types here. This is the butter sugar. This is the butter kaya. So let me just butter kaya. Take one piece, the other one for my friend. Kaya thick. Good, man. Although the kaya a bit thin. Okay, so here's the nasi lemak with ayam rendang. Colors on the outside looks good. There's the rice here, quite fluffy. Oh, okay, it doesn't clump up, which is a good sign. So it's served with some peanuts and also egg. Nasi lemak not bad. Chili again, okay nia. As usual Chinese shop, don't expect the chili to be so spicy. So if you're around the corner, do come to Ta Chong Kopitiam. There's for a good and hearty breakfast. Order their toast bread and definitely their liberica coffee. Love it. See you.